Welcome to another in the series of demonstrations designed to get you quickly up to speed with what's new in NXCAM. This demonstration will show you how to extend the toolpath across undercuts in fixed axis surface contouring operations using the new Extend Across Undercuts Cutting Parameters option. Here we have a simple part with an undercut that I'll use to demonstrate the new behavior. We'll begin by editing a contour area operation that uses the area milling drive method. In the Operation Navigator, double-click Contour Area to edit the operation. Click Cutting Parameters. Extend Across Undercuts is new for 3-axis area milling operations. It may be left on to extend across the undercut and prevent interruptions in the toolpath and excessive engage and retract motions, or it may be turned off to prevent cutting in areas where material cannot be reached. First, we'll observe the behavior when Extend Across Undercuts is turned on. I'll OK the Cutting Parameters dialog box and generate the toolpath. The toolpath extends across the undercut. Now we'll observe the behavior when Extend Across Undercuts is turned off. Click Cutting Parameters and clear the Extend Across Undercuts checkbox. Click OK, refresh the graphics display, and generate the toolpath. The toolpath does not extend across the undercut. Let's observe the behavior when using a different cut pattern. Click Edit in the Drive Method section of the dialog box. Select Follow Periphery from the non-steep cut pattern list. Click OK. Remember, Extend Across Undercuts is currently turned off. Refresh the graphics window and generate the toolpath. The tool does not extend across the undercut. Now let's turn Extend Across Undercuts on and observe the change in the toolpath. Click Cutting Parameters. Select the Extend Across Undercuts checkbox to turn it on. OK the dialog box. Refresh the graphics display and generate the toolpath. The toolpath extends across the undercut. Click OK to finish editing the operation. For Z-level and flow cut reference tool operations, there is no new user interface. The toolpath always extends across the undercut areas. To demonstrate this, I'll use a part containing a flow cut reference tool operation. In the Operation Navigator, I'll click Flow Cut Reference Tool. Prior to NX1002, the toolpath did not extend completely across the undercut, even though the cut area in the undercut face did. I'll generate the toolpath. Now the toolpath for the undercut face extends completely across the undercut area. The behavior is the same for Z-level profile operations. Prior to NX1002, the toolpath did not extend completely across the undercut area. When the toolpath is generated, the tool now extends completely across the undercut area. This concludes the demonstration of how to extend the toolpath across undercuts in fixed axis surface contouring operations using the new Extend Across Undercuts Cutting Parameters option. Thank you.